Welcome to a brief description of a new small business tool developed to help business owners better predict their financial future. A few days ago, a contact of yours dropped off a sample booklet entitled The Business Owner's Nest Egg Calculator. You've had it on your desk for a week now, and you've only had time to look through a few pages of the report. But what is it, and why did my contact think I would be interested in the information it contained? Is it because I'm a business owner? Is it because other business owners have found this tool to be invaluable? The BizNestEgg Calculator is an innovative way for a business owner to get their arms around their financial nest egg so that they can make a decision as to if and when they will want to exit the business and retire. If a business owner is thinking about selling the company and retiring, there are many different questions that pop up in their minds. Without answering these questions first, it is nearly impossible to even make a decision as to whether or not to sell the company. How much is my business worth? Who is going to run the business? How many years can the business stay open? Are my kids going to be taken care of? How and when will I get my money? What will my income be during retirement? But which of these questions are the three most important? Our hands-on experience with business owners show that the three most important questions that need to be answered first and foremost are: how much is my business worth? How and when will I get the money for the sale of my business? What will my income look like at retirement? If we can help a business owner answer these three questions, then the business owner can make a confident, informed decision. Wouldn't it be nice to have a summary showing you the answers to the three most important questions so that you know exactly where your entire financial picture is today and where it will be in the future? And wouldn't it be nice to have it include your business assets and your personal assets all in one report? The Business Owner's Nest Egg Calculator is that report. It has been developed with the successful business owner in mind as a tool to help you predict your financial future. Chances are the people who are helping you with your savings and investments are not looking at your total financial picture. They are not taking into account the largest asset that you own. That asset is your business. In most cases, the largest financial transaction during your lifetime will be the sale of your closely held business. Most financial planning software asks the question, what is your business worth? Yet most small business owners have not gone through the process of formally valuing their business. So what is a business valuation? A business valuation determines the estimated market value of a business entity. The valuation estimates the price that hypothetical informed buyers and sellers would negotiate at arm's length for an entire business or a partial equity interest. Let's look at some of the common reasons why a business owner might want to know what the market value of the business is. They may be getting ready to sell the business. They may want to hand the business off to a relative or key employee. The business owner may be investigating the possible merger with another business, legal issues such as a divorce or partner litigation, tax issues such as estate planning, obtaining financing for the business, and there are many more reasons why a business owner would want to get a business valued. It's just as important to know how and when you're going to get the money for your business as it is to know exactly how much your business is worth. That is what we call the deal structure. The BizNestEgg Calculator uses the most current deal-making strategies in simulating the sale of your business. Our report will provide different buyout scenarios complete with buyer down payment amounts, owner financing percentages, current commercial interest rates, seller earnouts or bonuses, and balloon payments. All these tools make up the modern business sale deal structure, and together will give you, the business owner, an idea as to when you can expect to get paid for the business you're exiting. It is important that once you have an idea as to what your business is worth and how and when you'll get paid for that business, to investigate what the impact of all your non-business assets will have on your retirement. Your personal investments and savings are made up of three main categories: tax-free, taxable, and tax-deferred savings vehicles. It is also important to understand how many more years you will work before you retire and how much money you will have saved so far, and of course, the amount these savings vehicles will grow to. Now that a business owner understands the value of the business, how and when they'll get their money, and what their other personal savings investments are, the next logical step is to look at the tax ramifications of a sale. The estimated personal and business tax rates are inputted into the BizNestEgg software system. The taxes are then calculated on the business deal structure and the estimated income sources at retirement. It is very difficult to arrive at a decision as to if and when to sell a business and retire unless you have a good estimate as to how taxes are going to affect your financial situation. Our report focuses on capital gains taxes, ordinary income taxes, alternative minimum tax, tax rates before retirement, and tax rates after retirement. After a business sells and the taxes are paid, a person should look at all the sources of income available at retirement. All these sources of income added together will help you predict just how much your lifestyle will change, if at all, after the business sells and you retire. These other sources of income include the interest earned on your lump sum payment, the amount you may be receiving from owner financing, any earnouts or bonuses, the income from the tax-free, taxable, and tax-deferred investments, Social Security for you and your spouse plus any pensions, and any other forms of income such as rental properties. After all, isn't that what it's all about? Having enough money available to have a great retirement. Would a report outlining your current financial position be helpful to you in making solid personal and business decisions that could affect you for the rest of your life? Are you sure that you have all the right people helping you put all the pieces together of your financial puzzle in an orderly and understandable fashion? Are you ready to see where you are on the road to financial security? We encourage you to review this information with the person who gave you the sample booklet and see if using a different approach, like the BizNestEgg Retirement Simulator, can help make a difference to you and your family. Ask how you can get a complete, detailed report on your own personal financial situation. We thank you for your time today.